Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome to the vlog. Before we get started, I want to mention today's sponsor, and it is Movement. So Movement specializes in watches, but they also offer sunglasses as well and some jewelry pieces. And they sent me over a watch. I actually picked out with my husband a watch for him since I wear my Apple Watches, but my husband has heard of this brand and he loves this brand so much. So when he heard that they wanted to work with me, he was so excited. And of course I had to treat him. So I gave him this watch for Father's Day, and I was so happy to be able to give him such a beautiful high quality watch. Let me show you what it looks like. So in 2013, they made a promise to create high quality minimalist products at a revolutionary price. So that's like their thing. That's why they started their business. So they wanted some high quality watches that were really beautiful and minimalist, and they wanted to offer them at a cheaper price than some other competitive brands. So here's the watch that we picked out for my hubby. It is this gorgeous like gunmetal gray, and I do know that I have male subscribers, so I highly suggest these watches for you, or women. You can get them for your hubby, but this is a heavy. This thing weighs like a pound. It's so high quality. Like, he looks so fresh in this watch, you guys. I do have some clips I'm going to be putting over my this talking right now, but like, he looks so fresh in this watch. I mean, it looks like he spent $1,000 on this watch, but it's much more affordable than that. So it is very, very nice quality. I love the color of it. They also have some with like leather bands. It doesn't have to be chain link. And yeah, he loves wearing watches like this, like when we go out on date nights and stuff. And it does come with 2 extra chain links. If that is not the right size for you, you can adjust it. So the packaging is gorgeous. Like, it gets to you so safely. I love the red inside. It looks so high quality, like absolutely high quality. And this is a beautiful piece well, it's not jewelry, I guess this is a beautiful accessory. And yeah, so thank you to Movement for sending me this over. I will have the links down below for you guys so you can check out Movement, and any coupon codes that I have will also be down there for you. I think you push it, right?
Yep.
Ooh, you like red.
Ooh, that's a nice packaging.
Very nice.
It's like a bow tie.
It does, doesn't it?
And it's like heavy.
Construction panel, all that. That is
Easy, Desi,
fresh.
Easy, Desi. Hi.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
That's really nice.
Look, it's clock moving.
Clock moving.
Is the clock moving?
You want scissors?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you? Okay.
It looks like there might be some spaces in there.
Very nice.
I like it.
Okay, so today I'm just gonna vlog. I feel like I haven't been doing really good on vlogging. I've been trying to vlog, and then it's like it just keeps not happening. But I feel like I've been putting out a lot of like collaborations, so I really want to connect with you by just like taking you through my day or my week. I don't know how long this vlog's gonna be, but I'm vlogging today. I'm just wearing a regular white t-shirt. You can definitely see my bra, but I like definitely don't care. And I'm just wearing some high-waisted shorts. And I think I'm gonna change my lipstick because I don't think I like this red. I don't know. I was just trying something different and I'm not really feeling it. I'm wearing these earrings. I got it Dolls Kill, Don't Come For Me. It was a while ago. And honestly, like, whatever. It's just, it's products. I don't know. And I'm wearing this clear quartz crystal. I got this at the airport. and I just really like it. And then I'm wearing my rings, just a bunch of assorted rings. Look at my nails. These are Dollar Tree nails, y'all. I got 2 different packs and I mixed them, and I just think they look really cool. I love the butterflies on them. But yeah, I'm back with nails again. I've just been enjoying them. So this morning I was so productive. I already cleaned the whole downstairs. The upstairs is kind of a mess, but I'm not really feeling like cleaning it. And guess what, you guys? Guess what I'm gonna do today? I'm going to the post office and I'm gonna get a P.O. box. A P.O. box. So in the description, I will have my P.O. box. For every video, I'll just have it constantly. I will just have my P.O. box there for you guys. If you want to send me anything, because I know a lot of you have been wanting to send me stuff and I haven't had one, so I'm finally getting one for you guys. And also so that I can send you the giveaway prizes. So I knew it had to happen. And so, yeah, you know what? Let's get going to the post office. I'm gonna change my lip and then let's go to the post office. Okay, this is much better. All I did was wipe it off and it stained my lips, so I put a clear gloss on. So this is what we're gonna wear. Let's go to the post office. Okay, y'all, update. I got my P.O. box keys and I left them in the car, but I need to put them on my key ring. And I'm gonna have an iced coffee. This is what I bought. We just went to H-E-B because we needed a couple of like random things we ran out of. So I was watching Sarah Ray Vargas on YouTube and she was saying that Stoke coffee is really good, so I wanted to try it. And so I got this cold brew coffee that is unsweet and black, bold and smooth. And I just put like a smidge of my Natural Bliss with prebiotic fiber. It's oat milk and almond milk. Here it is. It's actually really delicious, so I highly recommend. All right, so see, P.O. box key, yay. We're getting ready to go to the pool. It is hella hot today. It's about 100 degrees today. We're just waiting for hubby to get home. It's already about to be 3, but let me show y'all what I've been drinking on at the pool, because you know every time we go to the pool we have to have a drink. It is what it is. Okay, I've been drinking on Tito's, yeah, vodka. I don't know who the hell I am lately, but that's what I've been drinking on. And then I put a splash of this and I put tonic water, or I put like a cranberry seltzer water that has caffeine in it. So I need a makeup wipe because I gotta take off my makeup before I go to the pool. Good morning. It is Saturday now. Saturday the 26th. Yeah, June 26th. So I just got ready for the day. I'll show you my outfit in a second, but my room is a mess, so just keep that in mind. I just cleaned my room and it's already a mess because I got videos going on, and then there's hubby's section, and yeah, sorry. But anyways, today what I have planned is going to Dollar Tree. I want to go see if they have some new makeup and stuff, possibly film another Dollar Tree haul. Actually, I will film another Dollar Tree haul, and I have one coming up after this vlog that I need to edit. But we're actually going to look for some luau stuff because we want to have a luau block party, me and my neighbor. So we're going together today to look for the luau stuff. So I'm super excited. It's gonna be so much fun. And then I want to go to Ulta too because I have some rewards I want to use, and I haven't, like, I don't know, I don't buy makeup anywhere else but Dollar Tree, so I kind of just want to like go see what they have. But yeah, let me show you my outfit. Again, so sorry for this mess, y'all, but I'm wearing these sports leggings, or what do you call them, workout leggings from Old Navy. I just got them yesterday at Old Navy. We had to go get hubby's outfit for the wedding that we're going to. And I found these on clearance for like 12 bucks. And they're like a taupe color. There's a foam pocket there. And they're so comfortable. And you guys know I've been trying to collect some workout outfits because I am going to start working out in August. That's my goal. I have to just give myself a goal. Like, if I work out before then, cool. But if I don't, it's fine. Because I know for sure, when the kids are in school, I'm definitely going to be working out. So this top is just a baby fat little tank top that I got from Forever 21 a while ago. Like maybe 2 years ago. I'm not sure. They did a collaboration with Baby Fat. And I'm wearing my lounge underwear lounge bra. So that is the fit. I just wanted to be comfortable and like sporty. I'm just gonna wear my cheetah slides with this, and I have my hair up in a bun. I got this big scrunchie from Dollar Tree. It's so comfy, and yeah, that's what we're doing today.
Heavy. Not that heavy.
Any shape on it?
Good morning, BROCHIKAS. Today is Sunday, and we're actually going on a mini road trip to my brother-in-law's house to go see their family. So we got the whole fam in the car, and we just stopped at Perky Beans, one of our favorite coffee shops, to get some coffee. I got a sucker punch. I've got a lot of stuff going on, so I can't show you, but it's just a nice coffee with oat milk, sugar-free vanilla, and 2 shots of espresso. And then I also got an acai bowl because we haven't eaten. So this is called a banana acai bowl, and it's got a lot of granola and honey in it, and it's really delicious. So I'm gonna eat that while we're driving, and the kids got bagels, and yeah, that is what we're, and you got chocolate milk, and that's what we're doing for today. All right, so it's Tuesday at 9:40 a.m. This is what I look like. I lost an eyelash, so I'll have to replace that. Yeah, I'm looking crazy, but I just had my first cup of coffee and I'm ready to get started. I just love to get productive as soon as I finish my first cup of coffee. So what I want to do today, kids are screaming. What I want to do today is declutter some clothes and some shoes. So downstairs I have a pile of shoes. I'll show you what I'm getting rid of. And I want to declutter some clothes that I'm not wearing. And then I want to take them to Plato's Closet and sell them. And whatever I don't sell, I'm just going to post it for free in my neighborhood. So here's one thing I'm getting rid of. It's this beautiful dress that I wore to my friend's wedding, but it's a size 10, so it doesn't fit me anymore. And I have new outfits for weddings, so I don't need to wear this one again. It is Calvin Klein, so hopefully they give me something good for it. And then I also have this nice blouse. It's a size large, and it's a little too small on me now, but it's pretty cute, and it could be like business casual. I also think I'm gonna get rid of this Coach purse because like I just feel like I really don't use it enough. I have another Coach purse that I got for free, and it's way more comfortable on my shoulders, and I just have too many purses. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell this one, and hopefully they give me something good for it because it's Coach. But yeah, it's super bulky and it never stays on my shoulder, and I hate that. I'm also going to get rid of this one shoulder black little crop top that I got from Shein because I've had it in my closet forever thinking I'm going to wear it, and I really don't think I'm going to wear it because I think it's just too cropped for me. Okay, so I'm also gonna sell this Shein top, which is super cute with sunflowers, but is a size 1XL, and it's like a linen with a non-stretch linen type fabric, and it's just too tight on my bust. And then I've never worn it either. Then I'm getting rid of this top. I've worn this a bunch of times, and so I just feel like I won't get any more wear out of it. And then this top from Yoins, which is so gorgeous and cute, and I really love it, but I can't find a way to wear it because the bra shows on the side so much that it just doesn't look cute. So I just don't know how to wear it. So I'm going to get rid of that. I've never worn it before. And now I'm going to get into my drawers because I know I have lots of t-shirts and I just keep getting more t-shirts. So I need to get rid of some. It won't even open because I have too much. Okay, I have my keep pile and my go pile. There's only 3. But it's this Perfectly Imperfect shirt, this shirt, and this shirt with the moon on it. So I'm done decluttering and I'm gonna head to Plato's Closet now. Here is my outfit. It's this really cute two-piece set from Shein. It looks like a little sweatsuit, and it's kind of rainy and it's not that hot today, so I figured I would wear it. This haul will be coming up soon that includes this. And then I have one of those Target, I think it's like Wild Fable $3 tank tops underneath it with pink. I have a butterfly silver necklace. It keeps flipping, and then some silver hoops, sorry, just bleh. Anyways, and then my little Guess green purse, my little Y2K. Since I'm very Y2K today, I figured I would wear this one because it matches, and I just love the green and the pink together. Do you remember in the 2000s when, or the early 2000s, when mixing green and pink was like such a vibe? So yeah, I just did my hair in a bun and I like laid my edges so it looked a little neater. And this is the fit. I feel so cute for like running errands. And I'm wearing my yellow box, what do you call it? Platform flip-flops, because they have sparkle. I don't know if you can see. And gray snakeskin, so I figured it would look okay with this outfit. We are back home, and I did not sell that much stuff. I only sold 4 items to Plato's Closet, and I only made 12 bucks, so lame. They didn't take the purse, so I think I'm going to like post some stuff on Facebook Marketplace and try to get rid of that stuff. And yeah, that's all I have planned right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, and then I will start a new one. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.